This is a walk-around and operation video of a 2012 Bobcat S100 skid steer. It is similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. This unit has an enclosed cab with heat. It has selectable joystick controls. This skid steer has a 34 horsepower diesel engine with 600 hours. It is a 2-speed. It has a 4,100 pound operating weight. This unit has auxiliary hydraulics and the tires are at 50%. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. There's no smoke or apparent leaks. It's a perfect size unit to clean snow. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com